What if the most luxurious full-size SUV on the planet just rewrote its own rule book, not with louder horsepower numbers, but with technology that quietly changes how you experience every mile? Because the all-new 2026 Lexus LX-800 isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement that the future of flagship SUVs has officially arrived. And once you see what Lexus has done here, it's hard to look at the segment the same way again. If you're new here, welcome to the Car Analyst, where we don't just talk about cars, we decode what they mean, how they'll fit into real life, and why certain machines quietly change the direction of the industry. And trust me, this one has layers most people won't notice at first glance, which is why you'll want to stick around until the very end. At first sight, the LX-800 doesn't scream for attention, and that's exactly what makes it intimidating. The design feels calmer, cleaner, more confident than before. Lexus didn't chase trends here, they refined their own language. The front end looks sharper, more architectural, with a presence that feels deliberate rather than aggressive. The lighting is slimmer and more intelligent, not just brighter but more expressive, reacting to conditions and subtly communicating with the road ahead. Even standing still, the LX-800 looks like it's thinking. Walk around it, and you start noticing the proportions. The body feels more planted, more balanced, like every line serves a purpose. The wheels fill the arches with authority, but without that oversized, flashy look some luxury SUVs lean on. There's an aerodynamic elegance here that you don't usually associate with something this capable. And capability is a word you'll keep coming back to, because this SUV hasn't forgotten where it came from, even as it steps boldly into the future. Now open the door, and this is where the transformation really hits you. The cabin doesn't feel like a cockpit anymore. It feels like a private lounge that just happens to move. Lexus has leaned heavily into materials that feel warm and human, not cold or overly digital. The leather is softer, the textures feel intentional, and there's a calmness to the layout that immediately lowers your shoulders. This is an interior designed to reduce stress, not impress you for 5 minutes at a dealership. The screens are there, but they don't dominate. Instead of shouting for attention, they blend into the environment, responding when you need them, fading into the background when you don't. The main display flows naturally into the dash, while a secondary interface handles driving-related information with clarity and restraint. And yes, there's serious processing power behind it all, but Lexus made a very deliberate choice here to make technology feel supportive, not overwhelming. There's an intelligent assistant woven into the system that learns how you drive, how you like your cabin set up, even how you tend to navigate traffic at different times of day. Over time, the LX-800 starts anticipating your needs instead of waiting for commands. It's subtle, but once you experience it, going back feels strangely primitive. Ambient lighting quietly adapts to your mood and surroundings, shifting tones as daylight fades or traffic builds, creating an atmosphere that feels curated rather than programmed. Space has always been a strength of the LX, but this generation takes it further. Every seat feels like a priority seat. Rear passengers aren't an afterthought here, they're part of the experience. Long drives feel shorter, not because the miles disappear, but because the environment makes you forget about them. And there's a small detail hidden in the cabin that most people will miss on a quick walkthrough. But once you notice it, it completely changes how premium this interior feels. It's one of those quiet Lexus flexes that reminds you who built this thing. Underneath all that luxury, the LX-800 is smarter than ever. Connectivity isn't just faster, it's more seamless. Your digital life moves into the vehicle without friction. Over-the-air updates mean the SUV you buy isn't the same SUV you'll be driving years from now. It evolves, improves, and adapts, adding features and refining systems while you sleep. Driver assistance has taken a meaningful step forward too. This isn't about removing the driver from the equation, it's about giving you a co-pilot that's always alert, always learning, and never tired. On the road, the LX-800 feels composed in a way that's hard to describe until you experience it. The ride quality is smoother, quieter, and more controlled, even when conditions aren't perfect. Lexus has clearly focused on balance here. Power delivery feels confident but refined, with electrified assistance playing a bigger role behind the scenes. You don't need to know the technical details to feel the difference. It's smoother off the line, calmer at highway speeds, and more precise when the road starts to twist. And yes, it's still very much capable when the pavement ends. The suspension adapts intelligently, reading the surface and adjusting in real time. You feel insulated from the chaos outside, but never disconnected. It's a rare combination, and it's something older SUVs, even luxury ones, struggle to achieve. This one feels like it was designed for someone who wants one vehicle that does everything without compromise. Safety in the LX-800 doesn't feel like a checklist, it feels like a presence. Systems work quietly in the background, scanning, predicting, and intervening only when truly necessary. There's a sense of trust that builds quickly, especially on long journeys or in heavy traffic. It's the kind of confidence that lets you relax without letting your guard down. From a daily usability standpoint, this SUV makes a lot of sense. Cargo space is generous and thoughtfully designed. Family duties, road trips, business travel, outdoor adventures, it all fits into the LX-800's personality without forcing you to choose one lifestyle over another. This is an SUV for people who expect their vehicle to adapt to them, not the other way around. What really sets the LX-800 apart, though, isn't just what it does, but how it makes you feel. There's an emotional confidence here that many competitors chase but rarely achieve. It doesn't try to be edgy or controversial. It simply feels future, ready in a way that's calm, assured, and unmistakably premium. Old-school luxury SUVs focused on size and power. This one focuses on intelligence, comfort, and longevity. So who is this SUV really for? It's for drivers who value craftsmanship as much as innovation. For families who want safety without sacrificing luxury. For professionals who see their vehicle as an extension of their personal space. And for anyone who understands that true progress isn't always loud. The 2026 Lexus LX-800 doesn't feel like just another model year update. It feels like a glimpse at where the entire segment is headed. Thoughtful technology, refined power, and luxury that feels human again. And that's why this SUV matters. If you enjoyed breaking this down with the Car Analyst and want more deep dives that go beyond surface level specs, take a second to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you think about the LX-800 in the comments. Because if this is the future of luxury SUVs, the conversation is just getting started.